To school games now. Friends School Kamusinga from Bungoma County are finalizing national basketball preparations under standardized court in the school in readiness to roar in Mombasa for the national Term 1 secondary school games. Kamusinga are the Western basketball school game winners.
Asubuhi tunaamka ili tujikakamue tupate kupata hiyo nguvu ya kusukumana na wenzetu walio kwenye mchuano wa nationals.
We are going to Mombasa to look for the national trophy. Our aim is to get the national trophy for 5-on-5. Friends School Kamusinga has never won a national trophy in basketball. We are looking for it this year. We are going hard, we are going strong, and we know that with God everything is possible.
We are already celebrating. We've taken a few trophies. We've been in tournaments in Nairobi. We have a couple of trophies around here which we got this year. But the most important thing is that after that we prepared our teams. We've invested in them. It's not easy. There's a lot of investment both in terms of financial, emotional.